evening and welcome to Yeshiva YouTube, Iyun. Tonight we did Maseches Yoma, Perek Hey, Mishnayos Beis and Gimel. Mishnah Gimel talks about, people are familiar with from the davening on Yom Kippur, right, from the Avoda on Yom Kippur, Achas V'Shtayim. So that comes from the Avoda of the Kohen Gadol on Yom Kippur, where he would be sprinkle the blood. He would do it twice actually, sprinkle the blood in the Kodesh HaKadoshim. And he would do achas lamala, which basically the Gemara explains he would take his hand and sprinkle the blood going upwards, and sheva lamata, he would face his hand down, he would sprinkle it down 7 times. So what's the significance? 1 time up and 7 times down. So it's noted in the Ravad Bartanu over here that the first time the achas lamala was supposed to be, it wasn't done on the actual aron, but it was connected the kaporis, which is the lid of the aron. And the 7 lamata were supposed to be, they didn't actually sprinkle it on the aron, but, opposite, a little bit lower on the actual aron, where the luchos were inside. The kaporos was a lid, and luchos were inside. So I think the idea behind this is that when it comes to luchos, which represents the Torah, we do sheva lamata. Sheva lamata is basically the blood goes down, meaning we're atoning. It's an atonement for not fulfilling the Torah. 7 is, the cycle of the week is a cycle of Shemitas. It's basically the cycle of a person's entire life. We're basically symbolizing that we've sinned in our entire lives and we always fall a little bit short. We do it lamata. But the one thing that we over-exaggerate, we do too much, is when it comes to the kaporas, when it comes to the lid, which is basically our outer countenance or whatever we present ourselves to the world. Our outer presentation of ourselves to the world, we exaggerate. We try to look a little better than everybody else, a little firmer than everybody else, a little more observant than everybody else. So that's why you do achas lamala, to symbolize that in that regard, when it comes to the kaporas, when it comes to the lid, what people see on the outside, right? The Torah mitzvos is what we do on the inside, the pneumius. When it comes to how we project ourselves on the outside, the sin that we do is that we project ourselves a little too high. And we try to make other people think that we're better than we really are. So that's why achas lamala v'sheva lamata. I hope you enjoyed tonight's share. See you in the next one.